Hi guys, Michael here with Diamond Brand Gear. So there's a lot to consider when we talk about a wall tent and how to construct it and what's best for camp. But right now for this video we're going to cover the platforms in terms of what's best and best practices. So there are a handful of advantages to building a platform. One, it raises the canvas off of the ground, so what that does is allow the canvas to dry completely. Whenever it rains, it doesn't allow the bottom of the canvas to hold moisture. It also will anchor the frame into the platform, which makes it a lot more stable and safe. It won't fall off the platform and it won't move on the ground. And we also bring the campers off the ground, which is away from the bugs and away from the cold ground as well. Whenever we construct a platform, there are a handful of different materials that can be used. We can easily use wood using deck boards as we have here, and then also we could do a concrete slab as well, whichever is most convenient for wherever you're at. If we think about how to construct a platform, we need to keep something simple in mind. We need to make sure that we build this platform to the exact width of the tent. We need to make sure that there's no excess on the width. Think about the rain. Think about the drip line. When it's raining, we don't want water to drip down the roof line and then pool underneath. We want it to go off the platform and onto the ground. Less water, the better. If you intend on doing a front or back porch, let's think about the rain and how it may fall off and do a channel drain. If it's deck boards, let's leave about a ½ inch gap for the rain so it doesn't pull in the entryway, and if it's a concrete slab, let's build in a ½ inch channel drain as well, and that'll help. Folks, thanks for watching our educational series video. Please check us out at diamondbrandgear.com and also our Facebook page to stay up to date on events and new product updates. We'll see you out there.